is to strengthen your shoulders. Your shoulders consist of 3 muscle groups: your front delt, your mid delt, and your rear delt. These exercises will target all 3. These exercises will focus primarily on your shoulders and other muscle groups, but today we're going to use our mind and body connection to focus just on the shoulders. Some of these exercises are a bit more challenging, so I'll be providing you with a few modifications so you can build up to it. Alright, let's get started. Enjoy this video. Try these exercises for yourself and let me know which one was your favorite down in the comments below. If you like bodyweight exercises like this, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel because we post videos every week. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.